Welcome to Zed Capital, epitome of liquidity. Register at Zed Capital personal area. Step 1. Visit the Zed Capital website. On the homepage, click on the Open Live Account button. You'll be redirected to the account registration page. Step 2. Complete the registration form. Start by selecting your account type. Then, title, first name, last name, country of residence, phone number with country code, email address. Once all fields are complete, click Continue. Step 3. Verify your email. Check your inbox for an email from Zed Capital containing a confirmation PIN. Enter the PIN on the website within 60 seconds. Click on Continue to move forward. Step 4. Complete the basic information. Fill out the individual application form with the following information: gender, date of birth, city, nationality. Are you citizen of any other country? Are you a U.S. green card holder or U.S. citizen? Are you a PP, politically exposed person, or related to one? After filling all the details, click Continue to move further on Profile and Financial Information page. Employment status. Occupation, job title, employer or business name, industry, annual income in USD, source of income, net worth, trading experience, initial deposit amount, risk tolerance level. After completing all fields, click Continue. Step 5. Submit the client declaration form. Carefully read the terms and conditions. Confirm your agreement by typing your full name as a digital signature. Click on Continue to submit your application. Step 6. Begin verification. Click Continue on this device. Ensure the documents are original digital copies. Scanned images, screenshots, or edited files are strictly not allowed. Step 7. Select ID type and issuing country. Choose your ID type: passport or driving license. Select the issuing country of the document. Step 8. Upload your identity document. Upload clear images of your selected ID. If using a driving license, upload both front and back. Ensure no scans, screenshots, or edited documents are used. Step 9. Upload proof of address. Provide a document not older than 3 months with your residential address, utility bill, bank statement, government-issued document, or valid ID if not already used. Click Continue after uploading. Step 10. Prepare for Face ID verification. Make sure you are in a well-lit area. Position your face in the center of the camera. Click Allow when prompted to give camera access. Step 11. Complete the face scan. Follow the on-screen arrows. Hold still and move your head slowly to complete the scan. The scan completes when the circle turns green. Step 12. Verification in progress. We are processing your data. Your profile is now verified. Congratulations. Your trading account application has been successfully submitted, and please check your profile status in your client area.